All right, guys, Joe here with Lasers Touch LLC. Today we're making something kind of unique. Customer has a husband, birthday coming up. He's kind of infatuated with starships off a certain TV show. She sent me some pictures, so I actually made a drawing of the starship. I had to import pictures of it, turn it into an SVG, and then make all of the lines bigger. Go through and edit everything for a path for all the LEDs because she wants LEDs behind it. We already have it set up and the workplace zeroed out and everything for the actual cut. This cut's going to be 50 inches by 27 inches, and I had some aluminum for airplane aluminum laying around. That's what we're going to make it out of. So I'm about to switch over to the table. I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so we've got our piece of machine grade aluminum. I'm trying something different this time. I've taken every other slot out because this design has a lot of little pieces. And I'd like to try to just get them to fall out and not end up tilting. Standing here and watching it for the entire cut, trying to pick each piece of tilted piece of cut out can be a pain, so I'm trying to take every other one out. I don't want to take every single slot out for the width of the cut because when your torch height controller goes down to check your torch height, once this gets all cut up and gets thin, it'll actually start moving the piece and bowing it and not necessarily getting an accurate read. Like I said, we've already got the table already measured into the workpiece and ready to cut. I'm getting ready to fill the table and start the cut.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
All right, guys, so I finished the spaceship. Spaceship was, for me, not an easy task. Lots of lines, lots of issues with how thin I made the lines, and the LEDs are 0.25, so they're the same size as what I went through and edited all the lines. If you stay tuned to some of our future videos, I actually do change the LEDs I'm using to thinner LEDs from the same company. And I also changed the process in which I put the LEDs on and the glue that I use. I tested and found something that works better. Really hard to pull off, and we'll be going through that in some of my future videos. Thank you.